Okay, so hello guys, good evening, and I am back with another form filling video of HIMT of their B.Sc and B.Tech in Marine Engineering. I have already done a video of the form filling of for DNS with IMUCET sponsorship. So this is for B.Sc and B.Tech in Marine Engineering. Okay, so this is a homepage of the HIMT, and this is where you start with your application process. So the link to this will be provided in the description below, so that you don't have to worry about it. You will be directly redirected to this page which you are seeing right now. Okay, so how to register? First of all, we have to register, right? So we'll just put out our first name, date of birth, your email id, your mobile number, what course you have to choose, B.Sc Nautical Science or B.Tech in Marine Engineering, and select the batch August 2026. Just check this declaration and click on register now, and you are registered. The credentials to your uh, application will be sent to the respective email address, which is typically your email id and your date of birth. Okay, so I have already logged in, registered, so that I will just log in right now. Okay, so once you log in, you will end up in this page. So if you had selected B.Sc Nautical Science before, the B.Sc will be already displaying here, or if you have selected if you had selected B.Tech in Marine Engineering before, that application will be seen here as well. Okay, so to select for B.Sc, apply new application B.Sc and select the batch and add course. Then your application comes here. Click on continue. Okay, now this is where the application starts. There are step 1, step 2, step 3 about your education qualifications and to upload your documents and all. So yes, we'll start with the step 1. Okay, so we will start with the step 1, which is applicant details. Yes, your first name, middle name, last name, which are not mandatory, and as I always say, star sign are only the mandatory ones. So you just fill it out and you are good to go. So your first name, your mobile number, your email id, your date of birth, then comes your blood group, your gender, your nationality, your height, your weight, your Aadhaar number, then comes your father, mother or guardian's name, their mobile number, and your father's or your mother's or your guardian's annual income, then your permanent address, country, state, city, pin code, your district. Once you fill all of these, make sure everything is correct, then you just click on save and next. Then comes the educational details, your institute name of your 10th standard, then your board, then year of passing, your English marks, marking scheme if it is percentage, CGPA, grade, whatever it is, and your obtained percentage in the class of your 10th. Then comes the details of your 12th standard, institute name, which board you are from, year of passing, if your results are declared or are you being awaited of your result. So if the results are declared, you are supposed to fill out the additional details of your marks as well. So being a lazy guy, I will just click it awaited. Have you completed DG shipping medicals? Yes, no. If you have done, just click on yes or just click on no. Now we'll see what all documents are to be uploaded mandatorily. Your photo, passport size photo, and your 10th mark sheet, then your 12th mark sheet. Yep, those three are the mandatory documents which you have to upload in order to proceed with the application form. Then we'll just click on save and next. Now the next step is to declaration for parents and students. We'll check all the boxes, then save and next. Then comes the payment section. The application fees is 999 rupees for B.Tech as well as B.Sc in nautical science. Okay, once you check this box, you can click on make payment. Then you will be in the payment gateway. If you are using your QR for your payment, you can give it with that, or you can use the other methods as well as the cards, wallet, net banking, or with the UPI ID also. So that was the simple form filling video of HIMT for B.Sc as well as the B.Tech in marine engineering. I have already uploaded the video of IMEC DNS sponsorship, so I suggest you guys check that out for DNS aspirants. That is a good opportunity for you guys. So if you have to prepare for IMEC sponsorship or any kind of sponsorship, or you have to secure a good rank in IMUCET, I would really suggest you take up a course of budding mariners, Dakshin Dominator. The course will start from March onwards, and I really suggest you guys to be a part of that, because it's specially made and designed for you guys from Andhra, Karnataka, Telangana, Tamil Nadu, and Kerala. That is, it is 110% purely in English classes only we'll be taking. So it is a good opportunity for you guys. So I hope you take advantage of that. So if you have to know about the course details, or you have any further doubts regarding the forms or merchant navy in general, about sponsorship, about anything, about your medicals too, you can just hit up the link in the description to our Google Forms. You can fill it out. We will get in touch with you, and we will have a good one-on-one doubt clearance and guidance session. So yeah, that was it. I hope the video was useful to you, informative to you. So do subscribe and like this video for this kind of future content. And yes, that is it. We'll see you on the next one. Stay tuned. Till then, bye bye.